Good morning, students. Now we are discuss the overall function of our kidney. First, our blood goes into the afferent arteriole. Inside there is a cup-like structure that is called as Bowman capsule. Inside the cup-like structure there is a capillaries present that is called as glomerulus. First the blood enters into glomerulus. It can filter and purified blood is go into the efferent arteriole. The filtrate goes into proximal convoluted tube, and then it goes into U-shaped Henle loop, and then it goes into distal convoluted tube, and then it goes into collecting tube, and it goes to the ureter and urinary bladder through urethra. These are the overall root function of our kidney. Okay, now see, first route of urine flow. Urine flow routes. Okay, first glomerulus. First blood goes into glomerulus. There is an ultrafiltration occurs. In this, the cup-shaped structure is called as Bowman capsule. Inside the Bowman capsule there is a capillaries like tubes present that is called as glomerulus. When the glomerulus, ultrafiltration occurs, then only bloods are purified, and then it goes into Bowman capsule. The filtrate goes into Bowman capsule. It receives glomerular filtrate. It can receive glomerular filtrates, and then urine goes into proximal convoluted tube, and then urine goes into proximal convoluted. This is the proximal convoluted tube. In this proximal convoluted tubes, the reabsorbs of water, the reabsorbs of glucose, the reabsorbs of sodium, and the reabsorbs chloride ions. These ions are the essential substance are absorbed in this area, proximal convoluted tube. Next, the urine goes into descending and ascending link of Henle loop. This is the descending. Descending means goes down. That is called as descending. And the filtrate goes up is called as ascending. So that filtrate goes into descending limb and ascending limb. The commonly called as Henle loop or the loop of Henle. First the filtrate goes into descending loop, then it goes into ascending loop. This is the descending and ascending loop of Henle. In this descending loops and ascending loops, it can absorb water and sodium ions. And then urine goes into distal convoluted tube. This is the distal convoluted tube. In this distal convoluted tube, it reabsorbs chlorides and water molecules. In distal convoluted tube, it reabsorbs chlorides and water molecules. And then urine goes into collecting duct. This is the collecting duct. Urine goes into collecting duct or collecting tube. Then it goes into ureter, that is called as collecting. Common collecting duct is called as ureter, and then urine goes into ureter and then urethra, and urine expelled, elimination out. This is the overall route of urine formation. Next, once more reply. First, route of urine flow. First, blood enters into glomerulus. It is the glomerulus. In this area, the ultrafiltration occurs. And the next, Bowman capsule. This is a cup-shaped structure that is called as Bowman capsule. In this Bowman capsule, they are receives glomerular filtrate. The Bowman capsule receives glomerular filtrate. Then urine goes into proximal convoluted tube. That is, urine goes into proximal convoluted tube. In this proximal convoluted tube, it can reabsorb water, glucose, sodium, and chloride ions. Proximal convoluted tube occurs water, glucose, sodium, and chloride ions. Then urine goes into descending and ascending loop of Henle. This is the descending loop. Urine goes downside is called as descending loop. Urine goes upside is called as ascending loop. That is called as loop of Henle. In this time, the blood absorbs from the urine water and sodium ions. Water and sodium ions. These are absorbed in this area. Next is distal convoluted tube. Distal convoluted tube reabsorbs the this is the distal convoluted tube. In this area, this absorbed in chlorides and water molecules. Chlorides and water molecules can absorb in distal convoluted tube. Next, it goes into collecting duct. Next, it goes into collecting duct, and then it goes into common collecting duct, that is called as ureter. Next, it goes into urethra and elimination